Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubiks. Today we are going to learn how to make different types of pattern in this simple 3 by 3 cube using very easy algorithms. So without wasting time, come let's get started. The algorithms for the pattern will be displayed on the top. Please use the notation properly for a perfect pattern. Now the first pattern will be cube in a cube. F L F U prime R U F 2 times L 2 times U prime L prime B D prime B prime L 2 times U. So you can see here cube in a cube pattern in this cube. So the second pattern will be wire pattern. L U D prime U prime R L prime B R prime F B prime D R D prime F prime. Yes, here you can see a beautiful wire pattern in this cube now. So next, the third pattern will be 4 sides T pattern. F 2 times D 2 times F prime L 2 times D 2 times U 2 times R 2 times B prime U 2 times F 2 times. So you can see all the sides having 4 T's. T, 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 T pattern on all the 4 sides. So next, the fourth pattern will be plus and minus pattern. U2, R2, L2, U2, R2, L2. Very simple and easy. Now you can see plus and minus pattern on the 4 sides of the cube. Next, the last pattern is the vertical line pattern. F U F R L 2 times B. Next, D prime R D2 L D prime B R2 L F U F. So it's done. You can see 3 different color vertical line on all the sides of the cube.